Hey guys, we get questions asked about video enabled POPs and what's the benefit in having those. So, the obvious thing is if you can think of this particular one here, this is a POP that's selling these particular grips, right? These golf grips. If this is in a store and it just has this golf grip sitting here, you'd have to go find an associate, a clerk, somebody on the floor to come talk to you about these grips. Chances are, with so much turnover that there is in retail today, the person you're going to bring over is not necessarily versed on this particular grip. So what do? How do we help the consumer educate themselves quickly without a clerk or someone on the floor, an associate that's going to come over there? So most of you guys have already built video for your product. And if you haven't, you can easily do, but here's what we did for this particular customer. So we took a shaft, we cut the shaft off, we put it in this display, we put a 7-inch screen in it. It sits here, it's got a button, and when it fires up, it basically tells you, hey, these are the benefits of this particular grip, okay? So this is key critical in today's retail markets when you have stores, literally large sporting goods stores specifically where this went to, that has one associate manning 4 different departments. Chances are that particular person is not versed in the benefits of your particular grips. So why don't you tell that consumer the way you want to tell them every single time, the same way with a video enabled POP. So if you've got questions about these, give us a call. We'd love to help you.